Coming hot at the fourth spot are Harry Roque and his wife, Myla. Where are they now? This is the question of the House Quad Committee to the Philippine National Police as they continue looking for the couple. The Bureau of Immigration reported that Myla is already out of the country before the House Quad Committee issued an arrest order against her. Myla has been ignoring the committee's invitation to attend their hearings on Pogos. Meanwhile, Harry Roque is still at large while being active on social media. Harry Roque is linked to the illegal Pogo operations. House Quad Committee Co-Chairperson Dan Fernandez expressed frustration to the PNP for still failing to locate the couple.
Ang sabi nga namin, mahiya naman kayo. Kasi nagkaka-problema na kayo sa Quadcom dahil hindi nyo makita si Secretary Harry Roque. Medyo nakakalungkot on the part of the PNP.
Alam mo, ang general messaging kasi na naibibigay nitong mga pangyayari recently sa public is if you're rich and powerful, may mga ways and means ka na you can easily evade because maluwag naman ang enforcement ng Philippine government and institutions natin.
Yan ang in aid of legislation.
Okay, nag-start tayo kay Alice Go. Then meron ka pang sino ba to? Yung isa pang
Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Then you have Teves, di ba?
You have Teves, you have General Bantag.
And now you have Harry Roque.
Ito naman si Harry Roque, wala naman siyang kaso.
Walang kaso.
Ano niya pa lang ngayon ay iniimbitahan siyang magsalita sa itong Quad Committee.
Oo.
Doon sa link niya.
Pero actually kasi the message is tinatanggihan mo ang Congress, ang lower house. One of the most powerful institutions in the upper and lower chamber. Ano yung messaging ng iba, di ba? The rich and powerful are able to do that, di ba?
So anyway, yung pagdating dun sa asawa ni Secretary
bago
Roque,
pa naman daw, wala na siya.
September 3, she left the country for Singapore kasi nga supposedly meron siyang mga treatment na ginagawa doon. Kung
Nagpadala
ano yung sakit niya,
hindi
naman yun dinisclose in public.
Nagpadala siya ng hindi official med-cert pero ng parang reseta daw. Parang ganun daw.
Pero yung ILBO, yung Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order na nirelease ng BI, ng Bureau of Immigration, ay September 16 or 13, if I'm not mistaken. So, nakaalis na siya nun eh. Kaya nga yung mga tao sabi, na naman tayo, maalis, go na naman tayo. Pero sabi naman nila,
she was gone even before the ILBO.
Sabi naman nila, they can coordinate pa rin dun sa counterpart nila sa Singapore and be able to do the process kung paano nila ginawa yung kay Alice Go. Para mapabalik dito yung
Tsaka reminder lang, kahit may ILBO ka, it doesn't mean hindi ka pwedeng lumabas. Pwede kang lumabas.
Yes.
Kasi Immigration Lookout
Hindi naman siya hold departure
order. Iba ang hold departure order.
So pero ngayon, for context, bago tayo move forward, tinatanong nila, bakit ba yung asawa ni Secretary Harry Roque, bakit ba yun yung kailangan pumunta doon? Kasi meron siyang mga, di ba, siya yung nagmamay-ari nung isang property doon sa may Benguet, if I'm not mistaken, na kung saan nahuli yung kung saan nahuli yung dalawang Chinese national na may link din sa Pogo.
Correct.
Diba? Okay, sige, let's continue.